Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another short street, Pell Street. Now, this is Bowery Street, guys. Going up north, down to south. So this is Bowery Street right here, guys. We're going to be doing Pell Street, which goes from east to west. And we start the journey now. Again, guys, this is a very short street. This is like about, from what I'm seeing, either 2 or 3 blocks, but I think it's 2 blocks anyway. But again, down here on the south side, mostly to the west, these guys are really small, short streets. So I'm gonna take my little time here. I'm gonna take my time. I'll just show you. And I'm gonna show you another street that is hidden back here. And that one is already uploaded into the channel. Now, the hidden street that I'm talking about is this one. You see that back there in the corner? That street back there is called, I think it's called, and oh, we got a Pegasus in midair heading towards that street. And this street is, let me show you. This is the hidden street, and it's called Doyers. And that is a hidden street that I told you about. It's already uploaded. That's like a sidewinder, like an S-type. And yeah, and this one has only 2 blocks long, so that's it. So it's not along a street. This one tops 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And we come in towards Mott Street. This is where Pell Street ends or dies. Either way, you take your pick. Now we're gonna do a 180 back to the west. See? Actually, you know what? Let me go straight ahead, guys, so we can finish the video complete. So this is Pell Street, Mott Street. So we're gonna go across the street. I'm gonna show you. See? Pell Street, Mott Street. And now we go back east. Heading back east, bound. So far, I'm trying to track down all those streets that I'm doing on Google, and most of the section is already done. Now I gotta keep heading south towards Battery Park. I gotta start moving down there. But again, I'm taking sector by sector, section by section, because these streets, you know, again, it's good to learn stuff, as you go on, as you go. And this is the hidden street here in New York City, Doyer Street. Yeah, guys, like I said, 5 minutes tops. And again, you know what to do, you know what to say. Leak, get shotted, glory, fame, all that stuff, guys. Okay, now, see? Now we'll finish the video here at Pell Street and Bowery. And I'll see you all somewhere in time.